Hey Russell fam, in today's video we are going to do an unboxing of My Father's World, Learning God's Story, first grade curriculum. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I've been homeschooling since 2012. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I give you lots of tips and tricks and things I have learned of all of my years of homeschooling. If you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing of My Father's World, first grade curriculum, Learning God's Story. I have been using My Father's World since Bailey was in kindergarten, and he is going into 6th grade this year. So this is going to be our 7th year using My Father's World, and I love it. It has worked well for us, and it is just a great fit. But if you've used it and it doesn't work well for you, go to Russell's Loving Life /curriculums. That is on our blog, and that will give you a list of some other all-in-one curriculums that might work well for you. All right, here is the unboxing of My Father's World. As you know, I have been, like I said a minute ago, I have been using My Father's World for years. This is actually our 7th year, so I already had the first grade curriculum left over from Bailey. So all I had to order for Becca was the curriculum book right here, the student sheets, and her Bible notebook. And here is the rest of what comes with My Father's World, first grade curriculum. You get a clock, you get the cubes, you also get a math book that comes with it, but I don't order the math book because I'm using Saxon instead of that. You get this animal pattern book. You also get the wooden pattern blocks, and Becca just loves to sit and play with these and make different designs. So she's been playing with these for years. You get finding out about things outdoors. You get science with water. You get science with plants. And I love this. You get my big book of 5-minute devotionals. We've been using this on and off ever since I got it for Bailey in first grade. So this is the unboxing of the My Father's World first grade curriculum, Learning God's Story. And it comes with the teacher's manual. I forgot to get that out to show you. But that is what comes with the first grade curriculum. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I will be doing a flip through of all of this, so make sure to stay tuned. I hope you have found this video to be helpful, to be informative. I hope it has helped you see the curriculum like you want. If it hasn't answered all of your questions, drop me a comment down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the curriculum. I will also leave a link down in the description box below if you want to find out more about it, or if you want to order your own curriculum. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.